What's going on, everybody? Back with another video. Hey, I wanted to show you a quick mod that I did that it helps quite better in my opinion, kind of. Actually, it helps a lot better than my opinion than the regular mirrors. These are gonna probably come off more than likely after I do some more testing with the cameras. So set up a camera there. And also set one up down there. And then as you're riding, that's what you'll see. You'll see the screens. You'll see the screens there, the monitors. Kind of hard to see in with all this glare, but everything is there. This RAM mount is about to leave. It's about to go. Waiting on the quad lock to come in to put that on there. I haven't had any issues with the RAM mount, but I don't know. I don't feel very comfortable with it much longer because, like I said, it doesn't have too much play, if any at all, but I don't know. It's a pain in the ass to me to get your phone on and off of it, on and off of it. I don't like it. So, yeah. But as you can see, monitors are there. I'm going to take this bad boy for another spin, check it out. But yeah, man, to me, it's much better to have clear wide angle view of what's around you if you find yourself looking over your shoulder a lot to check. So I think this will definitely help. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.